What's up, y'all? So the last time that we talked about the bike, since the last time we talked about the bike, I got some pipes, some new to me, used Vance & Hines Big Shot Staggered. Got them off the Ebby site on the line there. They sound really good. Let's check them out. Definitely sounds pretty good. Looks a lot better too. Let's go for a little ride here, ladies and gentlemen. See what you think of this new exhaust system. Go. A little bit humid, but as soon as you get moving today, the weather's nice and cool. Guess these folks weren't going fast enough. Not sure how the wind noise is going to be in this thing, but we're about to find out. One of the things I love about a Softail Springer is when you're hitting bumps and stuff, you can see this little upper spring bracket moving up and down, doing the work. Those springs extend and the lower springs compress as you're going over imperfections in the road. Pretty cool. Of course, they gotta be turning too. Wouldn't be surprised if they come all the way to a stop up here. I think these pipes sound pretty good. I really like them. Beautiful out this morning. It's been pretty hot. It's been in the 90s, low 100s. here in North Mississippi last couple of weeks, but we've had about 2 days where mornings have been in the low 70s and only getting up to the mid to upper 80s in the afternoon. So this morning is just beautiful. Feels good. I really love these old bikes, man. This bike's 25 years old. As the next model year rolls out, she'll be 25 years old, and it just, I don't know, feels so good to be riding a Softail Springer. So nostalgic. It's a rigid mounted engine, so you're connected to the motorcycle. The engine's connected to the chassis. You're feeling the imperfections of the road. Not too terrible, but it's just a good feeling. And I'm loving this exhaust. You know, buying parts for these old bikes is kind of hard sometimes. You got to keep an eye out on the old eBay or other sites online for people to either take them off of a damaged motorcycle or somebody that's swapping them out in order to find them. But sometimes you can get a pretty good deal compared to some of the newer stuff. So not terrible, but still available out there on the used market. What's really cool about what I do is, for one, I'm riding my motorcycle to work, and I work at Southern Thunder Harley-Davidson, so I'm around motorcycles all day, every day, even on my days off. I've got 2 bikes in the garage. It's just a lifestyle. It's pretty awesome to get to pull up to a building every day as a career where you've got a big bar and shield plastered up on the side and big sign says Harley-Davidson. Got another sign that says Southern Thunder. You got signs that say motorcycle parking only. And then you go inside and get all the cool merchandise, new motorcycles. And the coolest thing, in my opinion, is the people. I mean, we get to go work with like-minded people all day that all share the same passion for riding motorcycles and being out on the road. Everybody's got different ideas, you know, for what they think is cool or what they think's not cool. But what it all comes down to is we're all into the same thing, and that's riding motorcycles. Some of these roads are really beautiful with the tree canopy covering up the road, giving you some shade. Like I was saying earlier, the weather's been so nice that even in the sun, it's not bad. It'll be toasty this afternoon, but we'll be all right. Yeah, we knew that was coming. Just couldn't wait. Nobody behind me. There's literally nobody behind me. People do stuff like this and then they pull out and they're going 30 miles an hour. It's crazy, dude. Gets boring when you're behind somebody driving this way. Can't really see over that hill, so we could blast around them, but here we go. There we go. See you later. happens a lot of times. You get around them and then they speed up. People in cars are crazy. Trying to ride a motorcycle here. Call me crazy, but I kind of like to take this little thing kind of fast. Get some lean in it. Nobody's coming. Should be good. One of these corners up here, headed to work the other day. I was leaning into it, one hand on the bar, one hand hanging down by my side, pressing and leaning, just doing 60. Come around the corner and there's the popo sitting there. Could have hemmed me up if he wanted to, but I guess I got lucky that day. Maybe we won't press our luck hanging it this time. And we should probably keep both hands on the bars. How about that? Y'all with me? I'm anxious to hear how the wind noise is on this microphone I've got stuffed in my helmet. See right here, I was doing about 60 miles an hour and I just kind of leaned it over. I was leaning pretty far. Right as I come around the corner, boom! Cop car sitting right up there where those cones are on the left-hand side. Make your butt pucker up a little bit. He did pull out, but just went right on by. Got lucky. We got Hoka Hay going on at the dealership, so we've got riders that are doing like 10 to 12,000 miles in a certain amount of days around the country. So we've got the service department is open 24/7 right now to accommodate these guys. There's like 280 riders and they're coming in all different hours of the night. Pretty freaking awesome. This dude almost dumped it. Better be safe, boys. And we live to see another day. Coming around the corner, we always want to honk in case the service guy is coming around. Say the old pipes sound pretty good.